am Dr. Amir Jamal Toure. The greatest promoter and the greatest educator of Gullah Geechee culture around the entire world is Queen Quet, the Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. And we're honored to have her in Savannah always honored to have her in the low country of Georgia. Again, this is the person that promotes our culture and advocates on behalf of us, regardless of where you are. If you're in Switzerland, in Africa, the Caribbean, Mexico, United States, or Canada. Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation.
Sometimes I feel like a motor child. Sometimes I feel like a motor child. Sometimes I feel like a motor child. So far away from home, a long way from home. Down here, the people of Gullah what's empire. They don't study who built this. And that will be ancestors. The Igbo, Matinka, Malike, Gullah, Geechee, Mendi, Temni, Ifi, Ifibio. And the children, right here, down there, on the river. Oh, all the rest. The Igbo, Camiona, even Lazarus Creek. Even if it's still there, the spirit's still there. Oh, wait till we yeah, big wife. Still be slave by them for them. But people from Asibulan, oh, Camia, in the belly of the beast. Every board, we touch. Every board, we spirit there. Every board, we blood, sweat, tears. And them were in the ground. Was it feel like motherless children? They in there. Oh, but when they came across the showway, through where the children called it either say mill passage. You call it Atlantic. Oh, we know say. We going to the shore today. And we there in the shelter for this. If we yell in the monster. They know say, when they yell with a coffee tea so, gather the mama tell them, all them they go on dead, in the middle passage for. So even this your day, when you come to SAB, gonna have a Yeti from we, and you have that chance to do so. November 11th, 6:30 p.m. at Ship of the Sea. I'm Queen Quet, Chieftess and head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. I invite you, join me right here at Ships of the Sea. You see, this ship has the middle broken out. Like the middle passage broke out a lot of the soul and the spirit. And some would write and say that all the children of Mother Africa in North America lost their culture, lost their traditions. But I say to you, come learn the truth. As pioneers in preservation, destroy that myth. We have a weekend filled with enlightenment, enrichment, and most of all, empowerment. Because we know who we be. We be Gullah Geechee. And right here, we free. We broke this ship. Now you come break in to the real truth and legacy of our story beyond the transatlantic journey and that story that they sell you just about slavery. Oh, freedom. Oh, come over me. And before I be a slave, I going be buried my grave and going home to my God and be